Good afternoon, students. In previous week, we have seen some important problems on calculation of insulation resistance and capacitance of a given cables. A single core cable 5 km long has an insulation resistance of 0.4 mega ohms. The core diameter is 20 mm and the diameter of cable over the insulation is 50 centimeter. Calculate the resistivity of insulating material. One side you have write down the given diameter, given datas. Length of the cable L equal to 5 km. It may be written as 5000 meter. And insulation resistance R is given 0.4 mega ohms, that should be converted into ohms, 0.4 into 10 to the power of 6 ohms. And conductor radius, the diameter of conductor is given, that is diameter by 2, 20 by 2, 10 mm. And internal sheath diameter is given, you convert respective radius, R2 we can call 50, it is given, so it may be 50 by 2, 25 mm. So in problem it is printed as centimeter, you take as mm, 50 mm. So one thing you have to give the importance, R1 and R2 must be of same unit. Both are in millimeter, both are in millimeter. Both are in centimeter, both are in centimeter. You take the care. Hence the insulation resistance of the cable, it is known that R equal to rho divided by 2 pi L log E R2 by R1. You substitute all the values, then resistivity equal to 13.72 into 10 to the power of 9 ohm meters. Similarly, we have to see some problems on calculation of capacitance and its charging current. A single core cable has a conductor diameter of 1 centimeter and internal sheath diameter of 1.8 centimeter. If the impregnated paper of relative permittivity of 4 is used as a capacitance for 1 kilometer length of the cable. So capacitance of the cable, it is given by the expression C equal to relative permittivity into length 41.4 log base 10 capital D by D into 10 to the power of minus 9 farad. So it is converted log base 10. Either you can use natural logarithm value, ln, you can use that expression. So it is made simple for the calculations. So don't confuse. Either you can use log base 10 expression or ln expression respectively. Okay, no problem. Then substitute the values. Relative permittivity is given 4. Length of the cable is given 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meters. Diameter of sheath, it is given capital D 1.8 centimeter. Diameter of conductor, it is given 1 centimeter. Again same thing, both diameters should be of same unit, centimeter, centimeter, sir. Previous problem millimeter, millimeter. You substitute all the values in above given expression. Relative permittivity as 4, length is 1000, 41.4 log base 10, 1.8 divided by 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9 farads. So you calculate the capacitance value. So we are going to get as 0.378 microfarads. Calculate the capacitance and charging current of a single core cable used on a 3-phase 66 kV system. The cable is 1 kilometer long, having a core diameter of 10 centimeter and impregnated paper insulation thickness 7 centimeter. The relative permittivity of the insulation may be taken as 4 and the supply is 50 Hz. Once write down the given data, sir. Relative permittivity is given 4. Length of the line or length of the cable, it is given L equal to 1 kilometer, it is 1000 meters. So diameter of conductor small d 10 centimeter, diameter of sheath you have to calculate because thickness of insulation is given. Thickness of insulation is radius. Hence to know the diameter of sheath, 2 times of radius, that is thickness of insulation. Thickness of insulation is nothing but radius value. So to calculate the diameter, 2 times of thickness. So diameter of sheath equal to diameter of conductor plus 2 times of thickness of insulation. So we are going to get this value as 24 centimeter. And substitute the respective values in above expression. So we are going to get as C value 0.254 microfarad, sir. So given value is line voltage in the problem, that is line voltage equal to 66 kV or 66 into 10 to the power of 3 volts. So voltage between core and sheath, that is phase voltage. So you convert line voltage to phase voltage, it becomes 38.1 into 10 to the power of 3 volts. Hence charging current is equal to phase voltage divided by capacitive reactance. You are knowing the phase voltage, hence capacitive reactance Xc equal to 1 divided by 2 pi Fc. So finally it becomes charging current equal to 2 pi Fc into phase voltage. Substitute all the values. Ep, it should be in volts. You substitute 38.1 into 10 to the power of 3. C value, that is microfarad, you substitute in farads. So we are getting charging current as 3 ampere. A 33 kV 50 Hz 3-phase underground cable 4 km long uses 3 single core cables. Each of the conductor has a diameter of 2.5 cm and the radial thickness of insulation 0.5 cm. Determine capacitance of the cable per phase, charging current per phase, total charging kVr. The relative permittivity of the insulation is 3. Sir, write down the given data, that is length of the line or cable, it should be equal to 4 km, 4000 meters. Diameter of conductor 2.5 centimeter. Capital D, again you have to calculate. Thickness of insulation, it is given 0.5 centimeter. Therefore diameter of sheath capital D equal to diameter of conductor plus 2 times of thickness. So it becomes 2.5 plus 2 into 0.5, that is diameter of sheath from given data. Once you are knowing the capital D, small d, L, then go for calculation of capacitance, sir. Capacitance of cable per phase, C equal to relative permittivity into L 41.4 log to the base 10 capital D by D into 10 to the power of minus 9 farad, standard expression. So you go on substituting all the values. Once again, L should be in meters, capital D and small d of same unit, both are in centimeters. So we are getting C equal to 1984 into 10 to the power of minus 9 farads. Next you go for voltage per phase. So given voltage is always line voltage, 33 kV is given. So you calculate phase voltage. Then charging current equal to phase voltage divided by capacitive reactance. It becomes 2 pi Fc into EP. EP is phase voltage. You substitute all the values. Once again, C should be in farads, EP should be in volts. Hence, charging current we are going to get as L1.87 amperes hour. Third asked is total charging kVAr. So that should be equal to 3 times of phase voltage into charging current, VAR. So 3 into 19.05 into 10 to the power of 3, it is in volts. Current L1.87. So you are going to get as 678 into 10 to the power of 3 kVAr. Okay. So practice the problems. A single core cable has a conductor of diameter 1.2 centimeter and its insulation thickness is 1.6 centimeter. The specific resistance of insulating material is 7.5 into 10 to the power 8 mega ohms centimeter. Calculate the insulation resistance per kilometer of a cable if this resistance is to be increased by 20%. Calculate the thickness of additional layer of insulation is required. It is one of the VTU question paper for 8 marks. Okay, this problem is taken from your Bakshi. Try to understand. You refer Bakshi or you refer Mehta, you refer any book, but problems and formulas, solving skill you understand. First you write down the things. What are the given? Diameter of conductor is given. If you want, you calculate R equal to d by 2, that is radius of conductor, and thickness of insulation is given. Thickness of insulation is given, that is you refer the figure. R is the radius of conductor, T is the thickness of insulation, capital R is the radius of sheath. Same thing, diameter we taken, here radius you can take. So capital R equal to small r plus T. Sir, in previous we taken capital D equal to small d plus 2 times of thickness. Same thing, radius is taken. Previous problem we have used diameter of sheath. Here radius of sheath. Radius of sheath equal to radius of conductor plus thickness of insulation. That becomes 0.6 plus 1.6 equal to 2.2 centimeter. Resistivity value is given. Resistivity value it is given. You convert into ohm meter. Ohm centimeter is given. Convert into ohm meter. Therefore, R1 insulation resistance R1, that should be equal to resistivity divided by 2 pi L ln R by R. Here this problem is taken natural logarithm ln capital R by small r. So R1 equal to, you substitute all the values, we are going to get as 1550 mega ohms. 1550 mega ohms. Now the resistance is increased by 20% more than R1. So R1 is your first case. Second case, the insulation resistance should be increased of 20%. So second case, R1 dash R1 dash equal to R1 plus 20% of R1, that becomes 1.2 times of R1. So 1.2 times of 1550 mega ohms. The resistance value should be increased of 20%. So let T dash be the thickness of additional layer of insulation. Then R1 dash equal to, same formula you can use, the resistance, the capital R dash should be your sheath diameter, sheath radius. So R dash equal to R plus T dash. R is radius of conductor, T is thickness of insulation given, T dash is to be increased value. What is the to be increased? Thickness of insulation. Try to understand. Therefore, R1 dash you are knowing, resistivity value you are knowing, 2 pi L you substitute, ln R dash divided by 0.6 into 10 to the power of minus 12. 10 to the power of minus 12, you go for that. Ln value equal to, you make the simplification all terms, 1.5591. R dash equal to 0.0285 meter. So it may be equal to 2.85 centimeter. Therefore, R dash equal to R plus T plus R dash. R dash value equal to 2.85, R you are knowing 0.6, T you are knowing 1.6. Therefore, R dash equal to 0.65 centimeter. Sir, try to understand. This is one of the question paper problem asked from VTU, and reference is taken from Bakshi book. Okay, you try to understand, practice. That's why I have taken simple problems, then you come to the VTU problems. Thank you to one and all.